Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we deal with the idiom stand your ground, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to refuse to change your mind about something despite pressure to do so. At the meeting, she offered up a good suggestion for their next project. The manager isn't interested. But over time, she stood her ground and he finally came around to her ideas. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. All the friends were having a debate. It's admirable of Paul that he stood his ground and stuck to his beliefs, even though everyone was criticizing him. The housemates are planning out their finances for next month. I have to stand my ground on this issue, even if everyone disagrees with me. The soldiers are taking an onslaught of fire from the enemy. They've come on very strong, but we're standing our ground until backup arrives. Here are some further examples for professional situations. Negotiations are ongoing. The other party tried to bully him during the negotiations, but he stood his ground and managed to secure a very favorable deal. The employee explains what happened with her boss. Even though the boss was furious with me, I knew I was right. That's why I felt I had to stand my ground. The lawyer is adamant their client is innocent. They stood their ground until they finally came across solid evidence and won the trial. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.